This is a recording from Osborne Books, MATST Tutorial, Chapter 3. Karen's Kitchen, a small catering business, uses spreadsheets to record the hours worked by staff for June 2009. Karen Pearsons, the owner, has asked you to do some analysis for her on her data. Save the spreadsheet in the appropriate location with the name given. In the worksheet called June Hours, which I've got open here, use the lookup function on Pearson's name data to fill in column E with the wage rate for the person using the information from the wage rate worksheet. So we need to work out the wages, and we get the data from the wage rate, which is here. So we've got Karen and we've got the hourly rate. We're trying to find out the hourly rate because the name's given to us. So we're going to go formula, and we're going to go and look at VLOOKUP because it's vertically. What am I looking for? Well, I'm looking for their name, Anish Bhatt. Where am I looking for it? In the wages rate. So I'm going to highlight all the data here. Don't forget to put your absolute cell references in. The figure I want is in column 2 and I want exact, so I'm going to say false. So Anish is £14.50. I'll replicate that down. Ben is £14.50. So Anish £14.50. Ben is an £14.50. Everyone's £14.50 except for Karen and Phil. So Karen is 17. Okay, that's done. Perfect. Retitle column E to be wage rate. Check and remove duplicates in the wages. Enter the number found. So I'm going to go to data, duplicates, okay, and it's found 2. I need to put that here. Use column F to calculate the wage rate multiplied by the hours given. So equals open brackets, hourly rate multiplied by wage rate, close brackets, enter, replicate down. Just going to make sure it's done it all. It has. Format the wage rate and gross wages to currency 2 decimal places. So wage rate and gross wages, currency 2 decimal places. Rename worksheet 3 to gross pay. Use a sum if and the information from June hours worksheet to calculate the gross pay for June for each employee. Insert the total in A11 and calculate the total gross pay in B11. Okay, so let me work out the gross pay first. So we're going to go formula and we're going to go and find sum if. So the range is basically the cells that I want to evaluate. So the only thing I've got is the names. So I'm going to need to go to June hours and find the names, which is here, C2 all the way down to C46. Don't forget your dollar signs. What am I looking for? Which is here, A2. And then what is it I want to add up? Well, I want to add up their wages. So I'm going to go back to June hours and I want to get their gross wages. So I'm going to go from F2 all the way down and put my dollar signs in and click OK, which gives me 765. I can replicate that down. I'm being told to enter gross pay for June. Insert in A11 the total. and then I need to get the total gross pay in B11, so I'm just going to add them all up. Insert a 2D pie chart showing the gross pay by person. Resize it so the key is visibly clear. So I'm going to highlight all of this without the total. Insert pie chart 2D. Move that out of the way. And it says insert the title. Title. Gross pay by person. Sorry, gross pay by employee. Use data labels on the outside edge to show the gross for each employee. So data labels outside and the gross is there. And there you have it. This task is now complete.